Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share my experience for how to install the Faxboard into the IR ADV 52 and 50 series. As what you see here, I'm inside my car and I'm heading to my customer place to do the Faxboard installation. This is not an official video from Canon. This video is special brought to you by Dedicated Office Solution. I hope my experience can help you guys to solve the problem. Stay tuned. Thank you. In this channel, we talk about copier machine, large format printer, scat topics, my personal vlog. If you guys wish me to do some of the special tutorial or some of the special video, you can send me the request by comment me below. I will do my best to do one for you. See you in next video. Bye bye.